Hello MEYLE friends! Today I would like to give you some tips on how to properly install a truck cabin tilt pump. You probably know the following situation. You have changed a tilt pump and want to raise the cabin, but after a short distance the cabin just stops and it's not going any further. This is not due to a defective tilt pump. In most cases, only a little bit of oil is missing. The reason is you need to fill and bleed the system properly. Why? Because the amount of oil in the tank of the tilt pump is not sufficient to create a volume balance between the piston rod and the filling area in the cylinder. For this reason, we have created a cutting sample for you to show what exactly happens. Here you can see the piston rod and the area in which the oil has to push the piston rod into its end position. However, the fill quantity of oil in the tilt pump is not sufficient to fill the area with oil where the piston rod was previously located. This action is called creating a volume compensation. So, for the record, when you have replaced the tilt pump, you need to make sure that the entire area can be filled with oil, so that it can push all of the air out of the system. You can ensure this by lifting the cabin after installation, and when the cabin has stopped, you simply need to add a little more oil to the tank of the tilt pump. Then just keep pumping and repeat until the cabin has reached its end position. Now lower the cabin again, and there should be enough oil in the cycle to be able to lift the cabin at any time. It is best to repeat this a few more times so that no air remains in the system, and finally, with the cabin folded back, fill the oil level to a few millimeters below the edge of the filler opening. So you see, if the cabin stopped prematurely after changing a tilt pump, it is not the pump. Mostly, only a little bit of oil is missing. If you have any questions, please let us know or visit us on our MEYLE homepage. Have a safe ride and see you next time.